Did you know there are creatures on our planet that can kill you faster than you can finish watching this sentence? Today, we're exploring the world's most lethal animals. Those rare predators with the power to end a human life in mere seconds. And I guarantee number 3 will completely change how you view your next vacation. Imagine this. You're swimming in crystal clear tropical waters when suddenly, a brush against your leg. In just 15 seconds, your heart stops beating. Sounds impossible? For the victims of our first deadly creature, this nightmare is all too real. The Australian box jellyfish, ocean's invisible assassin. The box jellyfish isn't just dangerous. It's widely considered the most venomous marine animal on Earth. With tentacles that can extend up to 10 feet, a single sting can trigger cardiac arrest in under a minute. Most shocking? Its venom targets your heart cells directly, and it actively hunts its prey rather than simply drifting like other jellyfish. But wait, you might be thinking jellyfish stings are painful but rarely fatal. Here's what makes the box jellyfish different. Its venom contains toxins specifically evolved to stop your heart, and it can deliver them through millions of microscopic harpoons in an instant. Speaking of instant death, have you ever considered which animal holds the most lethal poison ounce for ounce? The golden poison dart frog, nature's deadliest chemical weapon. This tiny, vibrant amphibian might look Instagram-worthy, but appearances are deceiving. A single frog carries enough toxin to kill 10 to 20 adult humans. That's right. A creature smaller than your credit card contains poison so potent that touching it could end your life. Remember when we discussed the box jellyfish? While that creature needs to sting you, this frog's toxin can enter through the smallest cut or even intact skin. Both attack your cardiac system, but through entirely different mechanisms. Now let's address what you're probably thinking. I'll never visit Colombia's rainforests, so I'm safe. But our next killer might be hiding much closer to home. The Sydney funnel web spider, the 8-legged terror. What makes this spider particularly nightmarish isn't just its aggressive nature, it's that it actively seeks confrontation. Unlike most spiders that flee from humans, this species will charge toward perceived threats with fangs capable of piercing fingernails. Here's the truly terrifying part. Before antivenom was developed, its bite could kill a child in just 15 minutes. The venom triggers a cascade of physiological responses, essentially sending your nervous system into overdrive until your organs fail. But not all deadly animals use venom. Sometimes raw power is enough. The saltwater crocodile. Nature's perfect killing machine. Weighing up to a ton and capable of striking faster than you can click the like button. These ancient predators have remained unchanged for millions of years for one reason. They're perfect ambush killers. You might be thinking, I can just avoid crocodile habitats. But here's the shocking truth. These intelligent predators have been documented swimming over 500 miles in open ocean between islands. And unlike other predators that might attack humans by mistake, saltwater crocodiles actively view us as prey. Remember that rapid cardiac arrest from our first 2 creatures? A crocodile's death roll can cause equally instant fatality, but through catastrophic physical trauma rather than toxins. The hippopotamus, Africa's unexpected serial killer. Think the deadliest African animal is the lion? Think again. Hippos kill an estimated 500 people annually, more than lions, elephants, and rhinos combined. Despite being herbivores, their territorial aggression and massive jaws can snap a human in half without effort. The most dangerous part? Unlike our previous entries, hippos disguise their deadly nature by appearing docile while partially submerged. Then they explode into action, charging at speeds of 20 miles per hour, faster than Usain Bolt. Now, if we're talking about sheer statistical danger to humans, the mosquito, tiny vampire, massive killer. Yes, that tiny buzzing annoyance is actually responsible for more human deaths than any other animal. Approximately 725,000 people annually through disease transmission. While not instant like our previous entries, the mosquito's ability to spread malaria, dengue, and other deadly diseases makes it humanity's deadliest enemy. What makes them nearly impossible to avoid? They can detect human breath from 100 feet away and have evolved to make their bites nearly painless until it's too late. The inland taipan, the the snake with no second chances. One bite from this Australian serpent delivers enough venom to kill 100 adult humans. Its venom is specifically evolved to kill mammals, making it particularly lethal to humans. Without immediate medical intervention, death can occur within 45 minutes. Remember the box jellyfish's cardiac toxins? The inland taipan works differently, simultaneously attacking your nervous system, blood cells, and tissues in a multifaceted assault your body simply cannot fight. The cone snail, deadly beauty in a shell. Don't let this colorful mollusk fool you. Its harpoon-like tooth can inject a cocktail of over 100 different toxins with a single strike. There's no anti-venom, and some species can cause death within minutes through respiratory paralysis. Think about that. A creature slow enough to outpace by walking carries a venom sophisticated enough to shut down your breathing almost instantly. The blue-ringed octopus. Tiny tentacles, lethal touch. This softball-sized cephalopod carries enough tetrodotoxin to kill 26 adults. Most terrifying? Its bite is often painless, and victims may not realize they've been envenomated until paralysis begins. Within minutes, you can't breathe, but remain fully conscious as your body shuts down. The black mamba, speed and precision killer. Rounding out our list is Africa's most feared snake. Capable of traveling at speeds up to 12 mph and delivering multiple strikes in seconds, this snake doesn't just bite, it hunts. Its neurotoxic venom can cause respiratory failure within 20 minutes, and before antivenom, the mortality rate was nearly 100%. Which of these deadly creatures surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and share which animal you found most terrifying. If you enjoyed learning about nature's deadliest predators, hit subscribe for more fascinating explorations of our amazing yet dangerous natural world. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against these incredible killers.